Good morning, my dear students. Now surface areas and volumes already കഴിയാറായിരിക്കും കേട്ടോ. Volume of sphere and hemisphere കുറച്ച് പാർട്ടുണ്ട്. Now volumes, look at here. Question is, find the volume of a sphere with radius 14 cm. So volume of sphere you studied is 4 by 3 pi r2. 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into the pi value is 14. Is it diameter or radius? Radius 14. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into 14 into 14 into 14. 7 cancel 2 times and you multiply, you get 4 into 22 88, 2 into 14 28 and 14. Okay, and divided by 3 also. That's your answer. Okay, so complete the multiplication. You get your final answer. Complete 88 into 28 into 14. Then divided by 3. Centimeter cube is the final answer. Radius is given as 14. Is it our pi value 22 by 7? Okay. Now find the mass. Find the mass of a spherical. Spherical means in the shape of a sphere. Spherical metallic ball. Spherical metallic ball of radius 7 cm. So mass means we want to find volume. So 4 by 3 into 22 by 7 into radius is 7. So 7 cube is 7 into 7 into 7. You complete it. 4 into 2 88, 7 into 7 49 divided by 3. That's in centimeter cube. You complete the multiplication. 88 into 49. Look at here. Here also 392. Then divided by 3. So 4312 divided by 3 centimeter cube. What's your question is to find the mass. So it is given that 1 centimeter cube of the volume is 4312 divided by 3. 1 centimeter cube of metal weighs 6 gram. That's also given. In that notebook is also given in the textbook. So the volume is 4312 by 3. Mass is volume 1 centimeter cube weighs 6 gram. So that's your answer. So it is 8624 gram is your answer. If you convert into kilogram, you divide by 1000. You get 8.624 kg. That's in kilogram. Okay. So using the formula 4 by 3 pi r2, that's it. Find the volume of hemisphere with the diameter 42 cm. Hemisphere means the volume is 2 by 3 pi r2, not 4 by 3. Hemisphere. We want to find the volume, so 2 by 3 into 22 by 7 into, it is given the diameter is 40. So radius is 42 divided by 2 is 21. So here it is 21 into 21 into 21. Okay. Now 3 into 7 is 21. You multiply, you get 44. And here you multiply 440. So 441 into 44, that's your answer. I don't know, is it correct? Oh, that's it. 19,404 cm2. If you multiply it, you get the answer 19,404. Remember, it is hemisphere. The formula is 2 by 3 pi r. Okay. So, if you want to find mass, you find the volume first, then multiply it by the given. Okay. So, one more, that is find the volume of a sphere with the surface area 154. Surface area of a sphere is 4 pi r square, that's given 150. So 4 into pi value 22 by 7 into r square is 150. R square equal to the 4 into 22 റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് എടുത്താൽ ഡിവൈഡഡ് ബൈ 4 into 22. ഇവിടെ ഇൻറ്റു ഉള്ളത് അങ്ങനെ എടുത്താൽ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈഡ് ബൈ ദ റെസിപ്രോക്കൽ ബൈ 7 റൈറ്റ് സൈഡിലേക്ക് എടുത്താൽ ഇൻറ്റു 7. And that's your answer. So if you divide it, you get this is divisible by 11 14 times 7 times. 7 into 7 49 divided by 4. You see the 4? So r square is 49 divided by 4. R is root of that number. Root 49 is 7 and root 4 is 2. Radius equal to 7 by 2 cm. Centimeter. Okay? And your question is to find the volume. Volume equal to 4 by 3 pi r cube. That's equal to 4 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7. R square 7 by 2 whole cube is 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 into 7 by 2. You complete that. 7 get cancelled. 2 into 2 is 4. Here it is 11 times. So 11 into 49. 7 into 7 divided by 3 is here. And that's your final answer. So, this is your answer. 539 divided by 3 is your final answer. That is in centimeter too. That number is not exactly divisible by 3. So better you put the answer like this. Okay. So in the last page is 236. You work out P236. Okay. It's a homework for you. Complete all of them. നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കിട്ടില്ലെങ്കിൽ എന്നോട് ചോദിക്കാം കേട്ടോ. ഡൗട്ട്സ് ആണെങ്കിൽ ചോദിക്കാം. Well, already I completed 4 or 5 problems. The remaining problems you completed. Okay. On the list. Now the chapter is over. Tomorrow, our last. Oh, okay. I think the book is over. On the list.